Are you ready to make the best banana bread ever? Since my banana bread is off the menu, I thought I would share how to make it at home. 150 grams of sugar, 86 grams of butter. You mix it together until it's nice and creamy. Add 1 egg, then 3 bananas. Mix until all incorporated. And then in here is 135 grams of flour, 5 grams of baking soda, 3 grams of salt, 45 grams of walnuts. And then you do a handful of sugar, flour, walnuts, mix it together, butter up a 9x5 pan, and then you're going to sprinkle that mixture inside. Make sure it's all coated. This is going to make it so it doesn't stick. Pour the banana bread in there, and then with the extra walnut stuff, you put that on top. You're going to bake this at 325 for convection or 350 for non-convection for about 55 minutes. Make sure you push all the edges out so it comes out nice and clean. And voila! This is one of the easiest breads you can make at home and so delicious.